Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll see how to create underwater ocean documentaries using FacelessClip AI. So if we look at some channels, you'll see many channels just use background music and footage to create a beautiful video and upload it to their YouTube channel. And if we look at some more, about an hour and 15 minutes, 10 minutes, yes, this one has a voice. This one has a voice, and if we look here, for example, this one is almost 3 hours long. It only has background music and various underwater footage. Sea Paradise is also the same. This one might also have, no voiceover. It just has background music, SFX, and stock footage. So first, we need to consider that if you've watched previous videos, you'll see I've always said you need to select a subtopic, and accordingly, your title pattern must remain. If you look at the title patterns, you'll see they're exactly the same. And if you look at the title patterns here, if you look here or at these, the title patterns are kept the same. And according to the title pattern, the thumbnails, if there's a voiceover, the voiceover's tone also remains the same. So you need to keep these things in mind, and now we'll see how you can create this with our Faceless Clip. For this, you must go to our Writer Agent Pro. After going there, you'll give a topic here. Give a topic and then specify how long you. So I'll make a 1-minute video. I've already made one. I've given the title Secret Ocean World Unveiled, 4K, Deep Ocean and Twilight Zone. So I copied the script here and I copied the title. So I'll go to free stock to video now. After going there, I'll put the script here in long video. And here I'll put my title. So it will be 2.5 flash here. I will use Ox, and here I will use the store block. You can use Pixel if you don't have store block. So here in store block I set parallel to 10 as per my preference. So you might not have a 10 concurrent limit. You can put 2 or 1, or if it works here, you can put as many pixel APIs as you have in your settings. So videos for this have already been uploaded to our channel. Please watch them. So I put this in. After that, make sure to add the video topic here. This is a very important thing. If you give the wrong video topic, you'll get wrong stock footage and everything else. So I put it in, and then I'll always use the documentary sound, the voiceover that I want to use. I used 11 Labs. If you have your own API key, you can use that. If there's a cloned voice there, you can use it. But Oxy doesn't have a cloned voice. You can put anyone you like here. And then for subtitles, I put 5. Okay, submitted. So we'll wait a bit for this to finish. Then we'll see what it has created. After that, you just upload the video to YouTube. When uploading to YouTube, you need to remember that you can go to History and click on Generate Thumbnail for the script you generated. Clicking on it will generate a thumbnail based on the underwater ocean topic you provided, along with the YouTube meta title, meta description, meaning the YouTube description. You can copy and paste all of them for your YouTube video upload. You can upload it with that title and description. Look, it has generated a very nice thumbnail for you. You can download this and use it as a thumbnail. So let's see what's happening here. It's processing. The stock videos are downloading. Almost 27 have been downloaded. Since I only gave 1 minute, there will be fewer stock videos. When your script is very long, many videos will be generated and rendered with many videos. In that case, it will take a lot of time, and your configuration, if your PC's configuration is high, it will take a little less time. And if the configuration is low, you'll see that your video takes a long time to render. And this isn't just with our software. If you install any video editing software and render with it, and your computer's configuration is low, it will take a long time. It's rendering now. Each scene will render. Each scene will render, then finalize, and then it will be done. So our video is done. If we click on watch, you'll see the title Secret Ocean World Unveiled first. It's here under everything about water has come up, so you can just use the title as a set description and thumbnail to upload the video to YouTube. Thank you everyone. I'll be back with a new niche. Goodbye.